Hi Lash Fam, welcome back to my channel. I can't even believe I'm saying this. It has been a while since I've done a video. I have been getting so many requests to bring back tutorial videos, so I'm gonna do just that. Today, I'm gonna be doing volume easy fan lashes. I'm going to be making lashes with you. I want to show you guys how easy it is to use our volume easy fan lashes. If you know, I started my volume journey in this industry using easy fans, and I could never find a good solid easy fan tray. They always had too much glue, the bases were too thick, and I just struggled with finding that product that really helped speed up my time. So I developed my own back in 2019. So everything I'm using is from my product line, LBK Lash. Our easy fan lashes, I will arguably say, are the best on the market. They're so easy to work with. So that's what I want to demonstrate today for you guys. So I'm using our Lash Bomb adhesive. This is a 0.5 drying glue, so it's quick. And always burp your adhesive, guys. This is 101. I've preached this for years. Burp your adhesive, get all the air out of it so it doesn't dry it from the inside out. Okay, so we have done some upgrades to our trays. These are our new boxes. Love them. They're just easy to work with. They're beautiful. You can move the little flap so it's easy to pull out the tray, and they just look good, right? So anyways, we're going to be using a size 13. I like to demonstrate with a longer size because I think it's easier for you guys to see. So we have foil backs on all of them, so they're easy to like move around. But let's get into it. Look at these brown lashes. Look at how dark. It's a dark chocolate brown. I love it. You guys can mix this with our black ones as well to give like a little bit more dimension. But these are so popular right now, so I want to do a video with them. I haven't done a video yet. But the first thing I like to do is take some of the lashes off of the strip because we're actually going to use the strip to help us fan out our lashes. So you can either save these or just toss them. Totally up to you. I like to have a little couple centimeters there on the line so that I can use it. And what we're going to do is make sure we tilt in the tip of our tweezer because the very pointy part there is what's going to help glide open those lashes. And they open so easily. You don't need a lot of pressure. You don't need to manipulate, and they stay open, you guys. They stay open. And what I also like to do is just pinch the base slightly, just slight pressure. That way, the base can get even more pointy. So here we do it again. Slight pressure, wiggle back and forth on that line, and just little pressure. We don't want too much because we don't want to break the fan and have it fall apart, and then it will stay open like this. So when you're using easy fans, the base is already locked together. So the base is not going to fall apart. The problem that a lot of easy fans have is that the base has too much glue on it so that when you do make a fan, they end up closing because the glue is just too strong. Not ours, guys. Okay, if you haven't tried them, please try them. I'm going to link them in the bio or in the description so you guys can go and get them, okay? Trust me on this. They're amazing. I'm not just saying that. I want you guys to go try them for yourselves so you guys can get a discount. Try them for yourselves for the first time. So they stay open. Another thing that is really cool about easy fan lashes is that you can make other fans. Like you could do spikes, you could do narrow fans, closed fans, wide fans. You could do it all. So you can really customize them just like normal volume lashes. The only difference with easy fans is, again, the base is already bonded. So here I'm using my boot tweezer. This is a micro grip tweezer, meaning the inside of it has these little ridges so that it's easier to grip your volume lashes with. These fan so nicely. The pickup is always on point. So this is a very reliable tweezer. If you've been using more of the tweezer that I used in the beginning, which is like a smaller grip, doesn't have a lot of space, try a boot tweezer. Tweezers are all preference, you guys, so you definitely want to see which one works the best for you. So try out different ones. But again, the same thing here, I'm using the tip of the tweezer. That is the key point here when we're using our easy fan lashes and you're fanning on the strip. Always tilt your tweezer inwards and use the very tip of it to help fan out those lashes. And the base is already pretty thin, pretty narrow, but just doing a slight pressure in the pinch will really help like pull that down into making it super needle-like, which I like to do. And it's just like something that I've consistently done. So if you haven't tried it, definitely try it. And I am not counting how many fans I'm picking up. I get that question a lot. I'm not doing that. I pick up based off of just sight. I know when there's too much. If you pick up too much, your base is going to be thick and square. So if you're having that issue, you need to pick up less. And the other cool thing about easy fans is that you can just take away. So if you pick up too much, you can pull from the left and the right side and take away some hairs until you get it to the size that you want it to be. But just look at how easy these glide open. They're so easy. They don't stick. There's not a heavy glue on there. They are so easy. They make lashing faster because you don't have to mess with them so much. And almost every single fan you're going to make is going to be perfect. And I'm sticking them here on this iPad. So if you guys ever want to do practice and you want to just make fans and practice making fans, you guys can even save them. So you crystallize them, save them. I have another video on crystallizing, which I will actually link here below so you can watch it next. Crystallizing is a great method to save the lashes so you can use them on your future clients. So you can absolutely crystallize easy fan lashes and just save them. But if you don't want to crystallize and you just want to get some practice in, throw them on an iPad. They stick so easy, way better than one of those little makeup sponges. This is the way to go. So another thing you'll notice is my pickup. I am pulling straight off the strip. I'm not lifting in the air. A lot of people, when they pull the lashes off the strip, they'll lift up instead of pulling forward. So it just takes practice once, and this is with every technique here, but everything is going to take practice for you guys. Whatever technique is easiest, if it's pinch, if it's fanning on the strip, if it is like the flower bouquet method, you have to try different techniques to see which one works for you. But with us and our easy fan lashes, this is the one I recommend. Fan on the strip because the base is already bonded. So you need that strip to help you glide them open. But these lashes are game changer. These will help you, especially if you do not have regular volume lashes down and you want to start offering volume lashes. Get the easy fan lashes. I started my career on these. I still use them to this day. I use them throughout my entire lash career. They make a huge difference. And another thing too is they're dark, they're dense, they're going to give you that fluffy finish, and you can customize with them. So if you haven't tried them, head to our website. I'm going to link it down below, lbklash.com. You guys can use the discount code there. Try them. You will not regret it. If you don't love them, we will refund you your money, no charge. But you guys got to try these out. And here's a close-up. They're dark, they're beautiful, they're brown. We have black, brown, everything. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll be back.